Been a little while since we just recorded a vlog, but do you know how we start these? Oh, she is beautiful. Hi, I'm Chad, and welcome to a very quick motovlog. So it has been quite a last couple weeks for me, going from the weekend before Valentine's Day, taking my first race, went on my Daytona 675R at Buttonwillow Raceway, CRA round 1 of 2022 in the amateur 600 Supersport class. So very exciting development for me there. Been working very hard to get faster on the motorcycles, and if you haven't checked that video out, check it out. Card right there. Unfortunately, that weekend didn't end on the best note, but I'm okay. It's been just about 2 weeks since I had to dump my bike to avoid hitting someone that was crashing in front of me. She's okay though, so I'm really happy about that. And you know, at the end of the day, that's what's most important. So looking forward to getting the bike back together and getting back to racing in June, if not sooner. Got a track day booked in March, which I think I'm probably going to take the Tuono for, just because I've got some other exciting stuff in the works where it would be best if I saved the cash that I would use replacing my gear and fixing my bike in the short term. But we'll see if that materializes. More to come. But last weekend I went to Big Bear. It's a nice mountain that gets some snow in the winter season. Did that with my lovely girlfriend Hillary, and we enjoyed some R&R. And then this week has been particularly busy for me because it is my last week with my current employer. I have a new career opportunity that I will be starting shortly, and I'm super excited about it. Definitely bittersweet though, because I do love the company that I have worked for the last 3.5 years. It's been a great time, but you know, opportunity awaits. But yes, busy week indeed, making sure everything is in order for my departure. And now I am on the way to go meet a friend for dinner. But I did want to get out, make sure I could give you guys a quick little update for the week. So exciting things in the works for me personally outside of the motorcycle stuff, but also some exciting motorcycle stuff on the horizon. Don't want to spoil anything as I'm still working out the details here, but I'm thinking over the next couple weeks will be some new and slightly more interesting content. Well, I guess depending on who you ask. I like all my racing stuff, but just doesn't seem to get the views that the Tuono stuff does. But nevertheless, definitely stay tuned for what's coming in the next couple weeks here. But yes, great things on the horizon. I'm super excited and very much looking forward to what's in store for the future. And I hope you guys are as well. Excited to rebuild my bike and acquire some new gear over the next few weeks and possibly months here, but should hopefully be good to go and run that track day next month in March. Looking like it'll be the Tuono. So yes indeedy, yes indeedy. But thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, this quick little update, be sure to give it a gentle little click of the like button. I would appreciate it. It would let me know that you are rooting for me in my endeavors, and just know that I am rooting for you too. Drop a comment below. What's new and exciting in your life? Motorcycle related, personal life related? Let's share some good news down in the comments below. And with that, I will hope to catch you in the next one next week. Until then, later.